So how do you turn off the website restrictions on the iPad? Let's get started. Let me explain how it works. And if you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this. So there are more ways how the website might be restricted. Most likely it is set up on the iPad directly, where you can go to the settings, tap the screen time, and right below you're going to be able to see the content and privacy restrictions. And in there, so many different things which might be set up and restricted, limited on the iPad. So you have to browse through it, but for website and web content specifically, go to the App Store, Media, Web, and Games menu within the restrictions, and we have the web content. And there are three options. So unrestricted is the option you want to aim for to lift the restrictions, but you also have the limiting or only approved websites which can be accessed. So that is how you can find it, and that's how you can change it. However, keep in mind that you can, of course, just turn off the content and privacy restrictions altogether with one toggle, and it will all be disabled like that. So as you can tell, that is like a blanket solution. The only issue with this could be that there is a passcode required. So it depends on how the iPad is set up, but these settings might even be passcode protected. So yeah, it depends on the situation, as I say. But at the end of the day, it can also be limited inside of the Wi-Fi router directly, right? So you can literally set up the router settings to limit certain websites. And if that is the case, well, no matter what iPhone settings we change, it will still not allow some websites, or, there are still going to be some restrictions in place. So that is something that you probably wanted to figure out. So hopefully I helped you out with it. Subscribe for the next upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.